I'm wearing the large in these Judy blue fun red shorts. These are great. Like, you don't have to wear them just for Valentine's Day. Like, there's so many ways. Like, I paired them here with this top, which I thought would be super cute. And what we love about Judy blue denim is the stretch, you guys. If you don't watch on a regular basis, like, my weight will fluctuate sometimes between 10 to 15 pounds thanks to diabetes. And so, sometimes like my weight will just go up in a week, like span like 10 pounds or so. And I can still wear my Judy blues. So that's why they're our number one denim. Next, I would say is probably Zanana. Like, they have that Judy blue quality and that Judy blue stretch. And Can is also very popular. But these are amazing. Greta can wear these. They're out of her comfort zone because of length, even though like I'm in dress code and stuff. So, but she's going to show some other really cute Judy blues. And